fly low past the house when he was in training? When we could see his face in the cockpit going by? That's the way I saw him. Only high up, way, way up, where the clouds are.
I felt wrong to be alive, to open the bank book, to drive the new car, to see the new refrigerator. I mean, you can take those things out of a war, but when you drive that car, you gotta know it came out of the love a man can have for a man. You gotta be a little better because of that.
He was so real, I could reach out and touch him. And then suddenly he started to fall.